Everyone thinks the best-selling vacuum bags for travel are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: 24-pack vacuum storage bags. The 24-pack vacuum storage bags with an electric pump caught my eye right away. Priced at $29.99, this set includes 5 jumbo, 5 large, 5 medium, and 5 small bags plus 4 roll-up bags. If you want to maximize your packing space for clothes, blankets, and even mattresses, this is worth a serious look. These bags are designed to compress clothing by up to 80%, which is a game changer when you're trying to fit everything into a suitcase. The electric pump is really handy because it saves you from the hassle of manual pumping, and you can seal bags quickly, making packing a breeze. Plus, with over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many travelers trust this product. Now, some people complained about the durability of the bags. Honestly, if you're rough with your luggage, they might not hold up as well as you'd like. But here's the thing, for most casual travelers, this isn't a deal breaker, especially since you get so many bags for the price. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and need to pack a variety of items. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-durable for heavy-duty travel. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the durability issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: rechargeable air pump vacuum bags. Next up are the vacuum bags for travel with a rechargeable air pump, priced at $33.99. This set offers 15 combo travel-size compression bags ideal for carry-ons. If you want convenient packing without worrying about manual pumps, this is definitely worth a look. The rechargeable air pump is a standout feature, allowing you to vacuum seal your bags without being tethered to an outlet. This is particularly great for those quick packing sessions right before a trip. Plus, these bags are specifically designed to fit in carry-on luggage, which means you can compress your clothes and maximize your space efficiently. With over 10,000 units sold recently, travelers are clearly finding this useful. However, some users mention that the pump can be a bit bulky to carry around. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something super compact, this might not be the best fit. But the convenience of the rechargeable feature usually outweighs this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you prioritize ease and quick packing. Skip this if you need something more compact in size. For the added features, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing your travel space. Product number 3: rechargeable wireless pump bags. Now let's talk about the rechargeable wireless pump travel storage bag set, which retails for $35.99. This set includes 15 combo bags designed for both travel and home use. If you want something versatile, this could be your go-to. These bags can compress clothes by up to 80%, just like the others, but what caught my attention is the portable rechargeable pump. With a powerful 1500 mAh battery, it can seal up to 90 bags on just one charge, and at 4,000 PA suction, you're looking at quick compression in just 10-15 seconds. That's a massive time saver when you're in a rush. With similar sales figures as the previous products, it's clear people are loving this set. That said, a few reviews pointed out that the bags can be difficult to reseal after the first use. Here's the thing though, if you take care of them and follow the instructions, many users have reported great success. It might take a little practice, but it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable solution for both travel and home storage. Skip this if you want a one-time use bag. For versatility, the price feels justified. Now, if the resealing issue was concerning, the next one might really hit the spot for you. Product number 4: SUOCO Travel Vacuum Bags. The SUOCO Travel Vacuum Bags with a rechargeable electric pump are up next, priced at $35.99. This 18-pack set is designed specifically for clothing storage during travel. If you want to keep your clothing organized and compact, this is definitely worth considering. What sets these apart is their long side opening zipper design, making it super easy to pack and unpack your clothes. The double zipper ensures a tight seal, protecting your items from any potential damage while traveling. Plus, they can compress clothes by up to 80%, maximizing your luggage space. Given that it's been flying off the shelves with over 10,000 units sold, this option is definitely popular. On the downside, some users found that the pump isn't as powerful as expected. But here's the thing: for regular travel, it does the job well enough, and you can always give it a little extra help by rolling the bag before sealing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for organized travel solutions. Skip this if you need the absolute fastest pumping experience. For the space-saving features, the price is reasonable. Now, if the pump power had you worried, the last product on my list might just suit your needs perfectly. Product number 5, Amazon Basics Vacuum Compression Bags. Finally, we have the Amazon Basics Vacuum Compression Space-Saving Storage Bags, priced at a budget-friendly $19.99 for 20 bags. This is a fantastic deal if you need a variety of sizes. If you want an affordable option without sacrificing quality, you should definitely check these out. These bags come with a hand pump, which means you can compress your clothes easily without needing electricity. This makes them great for travel and even for seasonal storage at home. Since it's a 20-pack, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck, and with 10,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among budget-conscious travelers. Some customers mentioned that the hand pump can be a bit labor-intensive, especially for larger bags. I get that, but if you're looking to save money and don't mind putting in a little elbow grease, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an economical solution for packing. Skip this if you want something that's quick and easy with no effort. For the value, it's hard to beat this price. So there you have it. From the 24-pack vacuum storage bags that offer great variety, to the rechargeable air pump bags that prioritize convenience, the rechargeable wireless pump bags that provide versatility, the SUOCO travel bags that help keep you organized, and finally the budget-friendly Amazon Basics bags. Each product has its strengths, so it really depends on what you value most in your travel packing experience. Happy traveling!